Gordon, I felt so bad about the broccoli. I brought you something else this time. Some chocolates.
Thank you, Human Kimberly. If you could just stick them up here by my face.
Wait a minute. You're not allergic to chocolate, are you?
Well, maybe just a little.